Welcome to daily tutorials, the is and where pseudo classes. These are logical pseudo classes that create more concise selectors, and both accept a selector list as an argument. For the demonstration, for the first part, we have this div right here. And usually if we want to give the children black background and white color, we would just start with a div, an h1, and a div. h3 and a div and p element, curly braces, and just we add the background color to be black and the color to be white. But using the is pseudo class, we can just delete this whole part right here, and div colon is parenthesis, and we're gonna add the h1, h3, and the p element, and we'll have the same effect. Now let's check it in the browser, and we can do the same exact thing using the where pseudo class. Let's just change it. Let's replace is with where. Let's get back, and it's the same thing. Now for the second part, we have these two lists. The first is an ordered list, and the second is an unordered list. Now, if we want to give the list items a blue color and a bold font weight, usually we would start with OL, LI, then UL, LI, and we just give them color blue and font weight bold. But using the is pseudo class, we can just make it easier to get rid of this, and we do semicolon is OL, UL, and just put LI to the right, and let's check it in the browser. And it's the same thing if we replace is with where, so just place it with where right here, and it's exactly the same thing. Now there is a crucial difference between is and where, maybe not in styling but in the specificity. So let's get back to the first example. Let's try to make the paragraph color red. So we get back here and we make it div p color red. Now let's check the browser. The color has changed. Now let's get back and try is, and try, let's get it back to is. Now let's get back to the browser, and it's back. And the reason for that is that the is pseudo class takes the specificity of its highest selector, and in our case, these two selectors right here, they have the same specificity, but the is pseudo class comes after, so it overrides it. But the where pseudo class has a specificity of 0, and that's why any other selector will override it. In conclusion, the pseudo class is and the pseudo class where, they have the same functionality, and you should use them based on the specificity you need them to be. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.